If Lightroom keeps crashing suddenly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get it running again, step by step. These solutions work great if Lightroom opens and then closes, freezes during startup, or crashes while editing. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary errors, memory issues, and background conflicts that may be causing Lightroom to crash. After your computer comes back on, open Lightroom again and check if the problem is gone. Next, close any heavy background apps before launching Lightroom. Programs like Chrome, games, screen recorders, and other resource-hungry apps can use a lot of RAM and graphics power. Open Task Manager, close anything unnecessary, and then try Lightroom again. If Lightroom is still crashing, the most effective fix is to disable the graphics processor. Open Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, then click Performance. Find the option that says Use Graphics Processor and turn it off. Then restart Lightroom. This fix solves a lot of sudden crash problems, especially if the issue is related to GPU acceleration. If Lightroom won't stay open long enough to change settings, you can reset its preferences. To do this, hold Alt and Shift while opening Lightroom. When prompted, click Reset Preferences. This can fix corrupted settings that are causing the app to crash on startup. Now make sure Lightroom is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and check for updates. Installing the latest version can fix known bugs, improve stability, and patch crash issues that affect older builds. You should also update your graphics drivers. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your system, and install the latest driver for your GPU. Outdated drivers are a common cause of Lightroom crashes, especially when opening photos or using performance-heavy tools. Another thing to check is your disk space. Lightroom needs enough free storage to work properly, so try to keep at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free on your main drive. If your disk is nearly full, Lightroom may become unstable or crash unexpectedly. And if nothing else works, the final step is to reinstall Lightroom. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and then install a fresh copy through Adobe Creative Cloud. This can fix damaged program files and give you a clean start. So to recap, restart your PC, close background apps, disable the graphics processor, reset preferences, update Lightroom, update your GPU drivers, check disk space, and reinstall if needed. One of these fixes should stop the Lightroom crashed error and get you back to editing smoothly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Lightroom troubleshooting guides.